Uh-oh, big old gar. Y'all see that? All right, y'all, we are back at the creek. Smells like shad big time today, so kind of want to do something different. I'm gonna try and catch some shad and try and use those for bait today. So I brought my net. Let's get over here and see if we can catch some shad first of all, and then kind of go from there. I've already seen some flipping on top of the water, like down that way. I don't know if you can see them. So hopefully it won't be too hard to find some and then catch some fish. So let's get the net going. Golly, it smells like shad, super strong. This is not something I do often, but sometimes it's fun to mix it up in live bait fish and catch some shad and do that, you know. Sometimes it's fun, just mix it up. So hopefully we can get some shad real quick. Y'all don't make fun of me because I'm probably gonna be a little rusty with this. There's a jig head in here. I might just have to leave that in there. We'll just leave that in there for now. I don't even know if there's any shad right here. Okay. Okay. So let's see if I know how to throw this. Not a bad first throw, I guess. And we got nothing on that one. That might be the problem, is finding these guys. I can smell them. Doesn't mean they're gonna be easy to catch still. Got one. Got one, that's a start. Okay, let me put him in some water real quick. I brought my little fray bill bucket right here. No. Whoops. Well, that was total accident. I'll fish it out here in a bit. Okay. Put this down here somehow if I can. That ain't gonna work. Well, at least we got some water in there for now, I guess. See if we even catch any more. I'm gonna get a couple just to start, and then we can kind of go from there, you know. I just need really like 4 or 5, I think, to get started. We got one so far. There's a little bigger shad. There's a couple shad. There's a... Look at this. Look at this baby catfish right here. Isn't that funny? Oh, and this little dude is gonna be the worst to get out of here. Yep, that ain't good. Let me cut y'all off real quick and get this guy out. This shad right here is probably too big. Okay, well that was interesting. I'm gonna try and work my way up. Well, there's no telling what we're gonna catch if we get enough shad. There's some. A couple bigger ones there. There we go. There's a couple good sized ones. There's tons of shad in this creek right now. That's a gizzard right there. These are thread fins, these smaller ones. And that's a gizzard right there. We'll let him go. So I'll put these over here. I think we'll go ahead and start fishing. Okay, let's go ahead and get rigged up. All right, y'all, so this is the rig right here, BnM 7-footer, Sam Super Sensitive. I got 6-pound Mr. Crappie high vis mono. I got a little crappie hook right here. I'm not sure the size. I got like a little 1/8 ounce weight right here. Got a little slip float. I have a bobber stop right here, a rubber one. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this down a couple foot. I'll probably drop this down to, I don't know, 3 foot, something like that. There we go. I'm gonna check real quick too. I didn't weight this. Okay, so it's perfect. I just kind of guesstimated that weight on this when I put it together. And so I'm gonna put one of these shad on here. Just like this. Just like that. Kind of throw it out there and just let that shad do some work. Hopefully the shad are trying to spawn right here. There's a bunch of shad right here, so I'm trying to see if maybe there's some fish pushed up under this. Oh, got something right there. Big crappie, look at that. Oh, he came off too. I knew he would. Isn't that something? On a live shad, y'all. Dang it. Something told me he was gonna pop off. That's what I was thinking. Something told me to drop right here. That thing didn't even move that bobber. I really didn't even know he was on there. Oh, got it. Uh-oh, what is that? Big cat. As I was saying, you never know what you're gonna catch with some live shad. Big old blue. Thing is, how am I gonna get this guy? I'm gonna have to drag him over here if he'll go. He might not go for us. We're just gonna have to do this. Yeah, this ain't gonna work. This is gonna be tricky right here. I'm not worried about the rod breaking, I'm worried about the line breaking. That's not good. All right, let me cut y'all off and figure this out. All right, we had to power lift them with that BnM. Just a little live shad, y'all. And that's a good eater size right there too. Oop, there he goes. If I wasn't so far from the truck, I'd keep him. Good size. I think that's a blue. Yeah, it's a blue. Pretty fish. All right, y'all, I'm gonna be honest, I'm having a blast. It's so fun to do this. I don't usually do this, and it's really fun to mix it up. Bent that hook out, but didn't bend that, didn't hurt that BnM. All right, I'm gonna Put another shad. We're going to have to catch another shad here pretty quick. I think these fish are further up on the bank. That's what I kind of think. Uh-oh. We got something big again. Another big old cat. Oof, what is that? We done hooked something big, y'all. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, big old gar. Y'all see that? I mean a big one. Oh, he came off. It probably broke my hook off. Yeah, dang it. We're just catching everything today, y'all. Got some more bait. Sweet. I think I'm gonna throw one more time, see if I can repeat that. We're gonna probably start moving around a little bit. So these shad are 100% spawning, you guys. Feels pretty early for that, but as far as like the calendar goes, but the temperature wise it's not, so it's interesting. Can't tell if I got any on that one. Nope. It's funny, you get one cast in them and they're gone. Well, almost threw that off. Oh, got some more something. Okay, here we go. Got a couple more. One gizzard and one threadfin, so yeah, so this is the difference right here. These thread fins have yellow tails, and these gizzards don't. Those gizzards I don't really want to use right now. Okay, let's rig back up. All right, my bobber's gone. Let's see what we got. Sandy. Nice. There we go, nice one. And he got it too. It's a big female too, I think. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Nice. That was a big shad too that he got. He got it too. I might have to get it out, but yeah, that was a good bite right there. I hope the camera picked up that it's a nice one. I think that's a female with eggs. Yeah, we'll let her go. That bobber was swimming off big time. All right, y'all. I hate to admit it, but that's all for this video. I think it's finally time I've come to the realization this white bass spawn is over with. These fish are done. Like, these fish came in here, did their thing in record time. I do not remember them ever being done this quick. Seems like the consensus a lot of people I'm running into think the same thing. Guy in a boat saying that the water is 70 degrees, which for me 70 is about the cutoff for even crappie at that matter. So yeah, with this video, the White Bass Run 2023 is over. I'm bummed, I'm not gonna lie. I had a lot of good times in the creek, but you know, all good things must come to an end. So I'm gonna definitely start transitioning more main lake, take the boat out, and hopefully start guiding a little more with these fish getting post spawn. You know, if you're interested, I'm full-time you guys now, so if you're interested in a guide trip or know someone that is, my prices are not, you know, through the roof. It's $250 for one, $350 for two, half day. Clean all your fish, no charge, no extra charge, and we get out there and have a good time. So that's really where I'm going to be spending a lot of time. I'm going to be putting out videos for sure, but it's definitely going to be a main lake crappie deal from here on out. So I really am bummed, but that's how it goes. And usually for me, you know, few things that I really pay attention to, you know, gar spawning, that's one. Carp spawning, that's two. Water, you know, 70 degrees plus. Shad spawn, that's happening. That's been happening this morning. And then two, like when everything greens out to the point where it starts getting hard to walk, those are kind of the telltale signs, and we have all those signs. So that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed the white bass run stuff this spring, and can't wait for it next year. So be on the lookout. We're going to be doing some different stuff. We'll do some shad spawn videos and stuff like that too. So we're not completely done with the white bass, but for the white bass run in the creek, it's over with. So y'all take it easy, and we'll catch you on the next one.